Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca Dances with Pitbulls. Look into creepy girls' eyes. Yes. We are going to bind this journal with these beads. I'll show you a close-up. I think also these. Is that good? That's good. Pardon my inky fingers. It's been a day. It's been a day. This was a book that I prepped at the library when I did my classes there. I just put this paper on the outside and this paper on the inside. So I decided to use some of those same papers in the signatures along with the coffee guide papers I made. And I also sewed a pocket across this one. That is cardstock. And I stamped and inked the other pages. Okay, I have in my possession a needle and thread. Hopefully the needle is small enough for those beads to go on. Ouch, stupid, I just poked myself. We need a little piece of washi tape to, oops, didn't mean to do that, tape Be smarter than your art supplies. Okay. Let's hope this goes smoothly. I'm not going to be too picky about which beads go on. I'm going to do it this way though because it's faster. I'm just grabbing one more. Back through the middle. Don't get your threads caught on stuff like I do. Do as I say, not as I do. So are we good? We're good. Tighten that up a little. Perfect. Just a little dab of glue to hold it. I'm going to reload. I'll save that thread for later. Get my never-ending spool of Nymo. Oh, there goes my text message. So I was at a party Saturday. My friends went to Greece for the international convention. They're giving a slideshow, right? And it's quiet, and they're talking and showing the slides. And my text message goes off, my X-Files text message. I was a little bit embarrassed, but what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Okay, I have my needle poked through my center. Oops, let's see. Does it go this way? Yeah, I better do it the right way, eh? Eh? Now it's not poked through. Okay. Okay. Grab some beads. Four, 6, 8. I think I need 15 to start. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17. Okay. 17. Do I need one more? I need a small one. A black one. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Perfect. Practically perfect in every way. Okay. Best way, best way. There we go. Really? I broke that? Don't know my own strength. Okay, hateful thing. Okay. Goes this way. I grunged up a couple of playing cards. I used playing card paper like that, and there was another kind like that. I made these little pockets, and I made these little, I cut these in half. I think Kitty gave me those. Cut those in half and made tuck spots. So yeah, it's a red and black kind of thing with not a lot of contrast there, but we might make a tassel to hang on it to make it more, yeah. And I didn't trim off any of the threads. They're all hanging around. This is curly stuff to tie with. But what do you think? I bet I can make, I don't know how many more journals. How many more journals am I going to make? So 27 is card journal. Playing card journal. Yes. So if you yell at me in the comments, maybe I'll show you the whole, what do you call it? The whole thing, start to finish. Because look, I actually have this book from the same thing, from the library. I actually have all kinds of paper. Oh, and Trish Fraser, I wanted to show you, this is my Star Wars paper I got. I did not pay $17.99 for it. I can guarantee that. I got it probably 2 years ago. So yeah, maybe we'll do a Star Wars. I don't know. Maybe we'll use some painty papers. I don't know. Maybe we'll make a true junk journal. I don't know. But if you want to see me build one, start to finish, let me know. Until then, let me see what's on the back of this sign. Please subscribe. I need friends, normal friends, not just Creepy Girl. Because Creepy Girl, you know, she's actually my mother, so, you know. Okay. Talk to you later.